What if 5 simple ETF choices could replace your job and pay you $6,800 a month for life? I ran the numbers using just $500 a month in contributions, and the results shocked me. A 2.3 million retirement portfolio and life-changing passive income. These aren't risky bets. They're 5 of the most widely used dividend ETFs by long-term income investors. And you can test it all yourself with the calculator linked below. Here's everything I'll cover in this video. A breakdown of 5 rock-solid dividend ETFs and why they're perfect for building passive income. 3 proven investment strategies tailored for different goals: income, balanced growth, and maximum appreciation. Real examples showing exactly how much wealth and passive income you could build over time. The exact allocations and contribution plans I recommend for 2025 and beyond. By the end, I'll show you how to potentially generate over $6,800 in monthly dividend income while building a multi-million-dollar portfolio for retirement. Plus, I'll give you access to my interactive calculator so you can customize these strategies for your specific situation. 010. Problem statement. Let's be brutally honest. Most people think retiring off dividends is a fantasy, and can you blame them? Savings accounts pay you nothing, inflation eats your cash alive, and the average person is just stuck. But here's the problem. Even the people trying to escape this are doing it wrong. They chase sky-high yields that crash overnight, buy random stocks without doing homework, or panic sell the moment the market dips. And worst of all, many people ignore dividends completely, never realizing they're skipping the easiest path to passive income ever invented. The solution is simpler than you might think. A carefully selected portfolio of dividend ETFs that balance current income with long-term growth potential. I've analyzed hundreds of ETFs and narrowed it down to these 5 champions: SCHD, VUM, VIG, HDV, and SDY. These ETFs stand out because they offer attractive dividend yields ranging from 1.86% to 4.07%. Long-term track records of dividend growth. Professional management with low expense ratios, 0.05%, 0.35%. Extensive diversification across hundreds of quality companies. Remarkable long-term performance, 5-year returns of 43%, 70%. Let's break down each of these powerhouse ETFs, starting with SCHD, Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, which boasts a stellar 4.07% dividend yield and has returned an impressive 53.69% over the past 5 years. With just a 0.06% expense ratio, it focuses on quality companies with strong fundamentals and dividend growth histories. Top holdings include dividend champions like Coca-Cola, Verizon, and AbbVie. Next is HDV, iShares Core High Dividend ETF, with a 3.56% yield. This ETF targets stable high dividend payers and has delivered 43.69% over 5 years. It's more concentrated than others, with nearly 49% in its top 10 holdings, giving you exposure to giants like ExxonMobil, Johnson & Johnson, and Procter & Gamble. VYM, Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF, offers a 2.96% yield with the broadest diversification, nearly 600 holdings. It's returned 64.85% over 5 years while maintaining a rock-bottom 0.06% expense ratio. SDY, SPDR S&P Dividend ETF, uses a unique approach, focusing on companies that have increased dividends for at least 20 consecutive years. With a 2.67% yield and exposure to mid-cap dividend growers, it adds valuable diversification. Finally, VIG, Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, focuses on dividend growth rather than current yield. Its 1.86% yield might seem modest, but it's delivered the strongest 5-year performance at 70.83%, positioning you for potentially substantial income growth over time. If you're enjoying this breakdown so far, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And stick around because after explaining these 3 strategies, I'll show you how to access my custom calculator to run your own numbers. Why this combination works. What makes this 5 ETF approach so powerful? It's all about complementary strengths. SCHD and HDV provide substantial current income. VIG delivers superior capital appreciation and dividend growth. VYM offers broad market exposure with above-average yield. SDY adds mid-cap exposure and dividend aristocrat stability. Together, they create a resilient dividend portfolio that can potentially thrive in various market conditions, while steadily growing your income stream. Now, let's explore 3 distinct portfolio strategies using these ETFs, each designed for different investor objectives. Strategy number 1. Dividend income focus. If maximizing current income is your priority, perhaps you're approaching retirement or want to accelerate your passive income, this allocation is for you. SCHD, 40%, high yield, quality focus. HDV, 25%, stable high dividend payers. VYM, 20%, broad exposure, good yield. SDY, 10%, dividend aristocrats. VIG, 5%, growth component. With a $10,000 initial investment and $500 monthly contributions, here's what this strategy could potentially deliver. After 5 years, $60,000 portfolio, generating $2,082 in annual dividends, $174 a month. After 10 years, $153,094 portfolio, generating $5,312 in annual dividends, $443 a month. After 20 years, $649,126 portfolio, generating $22,525 in annual dividends, $1,877 a month. After 30 years, $2,368,615 portfolio, generating $82,191 in annual dividends, $6,849 a month. That's an incredible growth of $2,178,615 on just $190,000 in total contributions, a 1,146.64% return. And if you're thinking, wow, that's impressive, just wait until you see the next strategy. Strategy number 2, balanced growth and income. For those seeking a more balanced approach, perhaps you're in mid-career and building toward financial independence, consider this allocation. SCHD, 25%, still emphasizing yield. HDV, 15%, stable income component. VYM, 20%, broad market exposure. SDY, 15%, dividend growth history. VIG, 25%, stronger growth component. With the same $10,000 initial investment but increasing to $1,000 monthly contributions. After 5 years, $100,885 portfolio generating $3,036 in annual dividends, $253 a month. After 10 years, $268,775 portfolio generating $8,087 in annual dividends, $674 a month. After 20 years, $1,151,834 portfolio generating $34,659 in annual dividends, $2,888 a month. After 30 years, $4,165,240 portfolio, generating $125,332 in annual dividends, $10,444 per month. That's potentially over $10,400 in monthly dividend income after 30 years, enough to replace your salary for many people. The total growth here is $3,795,240 on $370,000 in contributions, an astounding 1,025.74% return. And stick around for our third strategy, which takes growth to a whole new level. Strategy number 3, growth maximizer. For younger investors or those with longer time horizons focusing on maximum wealth accumulation, this growth-oriented approach could be ideal. SCHD, 20%, maintaining some yield. HDV, 10%, income base. VYM, 15%, diversification. SDY, 15%, stable growers. VIG, 40%, maximum growth emphasis. With $10,000 initially and $1,500 monthly contributions. After 5 years, $142,040 portfolio generating $3,918 in annual dividends, $327 a month. After 10 years, $385,813 portfolio generating $10,643 in annual dividends, $887 a month. After 20 years, $1,643,000 $66,752 portfolio, generating $45,977 in annual dividends, $3,831 a month. After 30 years, $6,032,767 portfolio, generating $166,414 in annual dividends, $13,868 a month. That's potentially over $13,800 in monthly passive income while building a multi-million-dollar portfolio. The growth here is $5,482,767 on $550,000 in contributions, a remarkable 996.87% return. Let's compare these three approaches. The income-focused strategy delivers the highest initial yield, approximately 3.47%, but with a weighted annual return of 9.00%. The balanced approach offers a moderate yield, around 3.01%, with an improved growth potential, approximately 9.30% annually. The growth maximizer provides a lower starting yield, about 2.76%, but the highest total return potential, approximately 9.54% annually. Your choice depends on your time horizon and goals. If you need income soon, the income focus works best. For medium-term goals, the balanced approach offers a good compromise. For maximum long-term wealth, the growth maximizer shines. Of course, no investment is without risk. These ETFs will fluctuate with market conditions, and past performance doesn't guarantee future results. However, their diversification, quality holdings, and dividend focus provide significant advantages over individual stocks or non-dividend investments. For optimal tax efficiency, consider holding these in tax-advantaged accounts like Roth IRAs when possible. All 5 ETFs distribute qualified dividends which receive preferential tax treatment in taxable accounts. Remember to rebalance annually to maintain your target allocations, and consider reinvesting all dividends during your accumulation phase to maximize the compounding effect. Now, as promised, I want to show you the calculator I've created to help you visualize these strategies. This interactive tool allows you to choose between the 3 strategies we discussed today, adjust your initial investment amount, modify your monthly contribution, change the investment time frame, see detailed yearly results with portfolio value, dividend income, and growth metrics. I've designed this calculator to be user-friendly while giving you powerful insights into how these dividend ETF strategies could perform over time. You can access it through the link in the description below. There you have it. 3 powerful strategies using 5 rock-solid dividend ETFs that could potentially transform your financial future. With consistent investing and dividend reinvestment, you could build a multi-million-dollar portfolio generating thousands in monthly passive income. Which strategy fits your goals best? Are you already investing in these ETFs? Don't forget to download my calculator through the link below to customize these strategies for your situation. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to Harry's Financial Fitness for more financial independence content every week.